socket, and I've taken off the protection, ready for fretting. So here I've set myself up a small little jig that I can clamp to, and first thing to do is to take a small file and just to put a small V into this slot here. Now the reason for doing that is to help the fret wire go in cleanly, but also in some distant future time when this needs refretting, as you pull this out, it's got a tendency to tear the wood and to pull it up, whereas if you've got a small chamfer in there, it's less likely to do that. So it's much more likely to go through a refretting operation without a problem. So here's the wire, and the wire's already coiled and bent, so it's not so bad for the shape I want. I've just got to cut these off now and then tap them in nicely. So we're all set up for the very first one. I've got some PVA glue here, and I'll just take a small dab of that, just bead it along there. That's to take up any room and to hold it in place a little better. Now let's see how it goes. I need firm. There we go. I think that looks quite good. Clean up the squirt of glue. Maybe just a little tap more. I think that's okay. So I've made up this little tool here. It's a file, small file inserted into this piece of wood, with a bit of a bevel on this side, and the idea is that that bevel sits on top of the bevel of the fingerboard, and this is just sitting down at a 30-degree angle roughly, to allow for the correct angle to cut the fret circle, to file them back. There you see, you've got a nice angle starting to come on those already.